Alright, got my camera working again. Here's the pad for the mobile home. You can see that it's pretty flat. Just needs some base or something. This is the very edge of the property. You can actually see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's an orange stake. Oh, there's Ron right by the orange stake. This is where the property line goes. It goes right in front of that big oak right there. And straight down to that point that I was at before. And here is the pad. And then there's, we think that's where they got it from, the dirt to make the pad. But this is the other 5 acres right there. It's kind of there's the road. You can see a car going down there. It's the road, and those are your neighbors.